Have you ever heard of the term heartbeat in AI and thought, okay, now even AI has a pulse? Same, but it's actually a very simple idea. Imagine you hired a junior assistant. You don't want them to kind of sit quietly forever until you call them, right? You want them to check in every now and then and ask, hey, is there anything I need to do? Any new emails? Any new leads I need to follow up on? Any files to organize? Are there any tasks waiting for me? That regular check in is basically a heartbeat. Think of it like your Swiggy order status. The app keeps refreshing, preparing, picked up, nearby, arriving, and finally arrived. You are not manually calling the delivery person every 2 minutes. That's, I don't know, annoying. The system is checking in by itself. That is what a heartbeat does for an AI agent. In an AI agent setup, the heartbeat is the routine where the agent wakes up at fixed intervals and checks what has changed, what task is pending, do I need to send a message, do I need human approval. So instead of you constantly opening tools, checking dashboards, reading inboxes, and asking anything new, your AI assistant does the checking for you. Also, if you are still here, I actually have a gift for you. I'm hosting a live workshop where I'll teach you to build this.
My name is Jarvis, your personal assistant. How may I help you?
Hey Jarvis, good day. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you perfectly. A truly dazzling sight.
Oh, thank you. How much finger am I holding up?
You are holding up 5 fingers, a number quite standard for a human hand.
Not just theory, not some fancy AI demo. You'll actually build it with me. And this is where it becomes powerful. A normal chatbot waits for you. An AI agent with a heartbeat can keep an eye on things. It can monitor your inbox, track job openings, check custom messages, watch deadlines, summarize updates, and then come back to you only when something matters. That is the shift.